The CIVIVI Bluetick C23050-1 features a high-quality Swedish steel blade known for its sharpness and durability, making it a reliable tool for both indoor and outdoor use. This folding knife incorporates a discreet, nested liner lock design that enhances its sleek appearance while ensuring safe and comfortable usage. The ergonomic handle of the Bluetick knife is crafted for optimal comfort and grip, with a precise and durable structure that supports extended use. Renowned designer Bryan Montalvo from Keanison Knives crafted this knife, and the custom version of this model was celebrated at a prestigious knife show in Texas. CIVIVI offers a lifetime service warranty for this knife, assuring users of its quality and the support available through a dedicated USA service center. Manufactured by WeKnife, the CIVIVI brand is known for producing dependable and well-crafted pocket knives, with this model standing out for its thoughtful design and performance.